Here I have Samsung Galaxy F34, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So firstly you should go to Contacts application, then you should tap on three stripes here, go to Manage Contacts, tap Allow, then select Import Contacts, select SIM. Here you can select which contacts you want to import, so you can just select them all, and then tap Done. And after that select Where to, in our case to our device, tap Import, and after that these contacts will appear here on your device. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.